nandito na kami sa isang room. Nag-move kami kasi 2 nights lang yung available doon. And then dito 2 nights, 1 night lang din kay they are always fully booked in this area mga antikel, so dapat should mag-book kayo ng advance. But sa next 2 nights natin is doon tayo sa another island. Babalik tayo doon kasi mas prepare ni Mr. doon eh. Medyo ano kasi dito medyo flat lang. Gusto niya yung may mga view siya sa rocky area. Oh, this is the room. Not bad, simple, pero we have a nice beach front. Ayan. Nagpa-under lang ako sa aircon. Yan si Mr. And that's the view we have outside. Maganda dito pag gabi kasi meron silang mga chair and everything and so on, so forth. So mag-swimming tayo mamaya pag medyo malayo-layo na yung tubig. Hola, papa. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Está bien? So, 2 bed, 1 king, and 1 for kids. And they have a fridge, drying clothes, water. Mabango yung room, sobrang bango. And mirror, toilet. Simple, basic. So, magpahinga muna ako mga antikels kasi sobrang init dyan. And plano ko ngayon na ilipat yung gamot ko dito sa kabila. So, kailangan kong magiging ready for my moving time. Ang wait ka pula. Hi everything! Going out tayo. Ngayon pa kami nakalabas dahil nga, evening na. Tapos naman yung sunset dahil. So mag-walking around lang tayo. And this is... This is the walking. Naa si Felix diri oh. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hala ka din ha. Hala ka din. Huh? What do you mean big one? We go this way. Are you hungry? We go that way. Meow, 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 meow. A little bar. Meron silang pretty little bar. Dito, dai. Ayan. Life in Cotao. So, lulubatin ko na lang yung camera ko until ma-dead siya kay 40% na lang. Uy, siya niya ah. Kapag ah. Hi, sir. Yeah. Playing in the beach. Ay, gamit maligo. Kuyawa, oy. Kuya kaidong. So mag-walking. Para siyang ano dito, day. Para siyang Malaborakay. Pero napansin nyo ba? Hindi siya as in ka gulo. Siya kan. Okay lang siya. Siya Boracay. Boracay, bebe! Charing. How much you can rate here? How much you can rate in here?
Wait.
Say wait, wait. Rate. Rate.
No.
How much? Number 9 daw mga antikels. So, for him. Para kasi siyang Boracay. Hindi lang as in kanang sa, I mean, hindi sa ano ha. Parang hindi kasi organized doon. Yun yung napansin ko lang ha. Dito parang less yung kalat. Patay, hindi yung kakaulag Pilipinas ba? Nice siya. Tapos white sand din. Tada!
The price level push it down for it.
Price level, why you say like that?
The cost is expensive here.
It's expensive. Which one is expensive? Here or in Boracay? In Boracay, I'm sure.
All the same. Okay.
No. It's expensive, uy. Sawadika. Sawadika.
This one or happy hour, no? Happy hour this one.
Alam nyo ba na nagsisisi na ako na hindi ko dinala yung tripod ko na ganon-ganon, oh. Dapat kasi dinala mo ang buong bahay, day. Tignan mo, nasira yung camera mo. Nasira yung ano ko, yung touchscreen. You cannot touch the screen. Happy hour? What does it mean, happy hour? Unlimited wine?
That means the only charge double for the drinks in happy hour. No?
Actually, mga antikels, this is our last day here in this area. So next week we move back to the place where we stay long term. So after that place, then we go back to Bangkok na. So celebrate the day. Tagay. Nagkatawa ako ni Mr. Ba. Sabi pa niya, I want one mojito daw kasi marami daw mosquito dito. Sa mukha pa rin daw. Static ang kayo.
You're where I belong.